Hey, welcome back to Ontario Lakeside. If you've been following our channel, you know that we are remote, water access, and off-grid. And that means we move around a lot of material by hand. And we've struggled with that over the years. Well, the fine folks at the original Portable Winch Company have sent us an electric portable winch that we're going to put through its paces in a future video. But in this video, we're going to show you everything that comes with the kit and explain how it's used. And let's get to it. Our cabin is on 9 acres of heavily wooded land with no road access. The only way in is by boat. Bringing in anything is a difficult process. From the landing, where we park, we cross the lake, and then it's 150 feet from the shore and 60 feet vertical to the cabin. Whether it's a load of lumber, bags of concrete, or the groceries, it's all got to be hauled up. We've been here for 10 years and have used several methods, from hauling by hand to a giant logging winch. When we saw the winches made by the original Portable Winch, we knew we wanted to try them out. Let's have a look at what's in the kit. The forestry kit comes with this really sturdy bag. It has a shoulder strap, as well as handles for easy carrying. There are several compartments. Inside you'll find the user manual and warranty information, as well as the winch itself. This battery-powered winch is capable of 2,200 pounds of single line pulling force at 3 speeds, 26 feet per minute, 32 feet per minute, or 38 feet per minute. The winch packs a punch with a 1 kilowatt 82 volt brushless direct drive motor, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. All that in a package weighing just over 20 pounds. So what else comes in the kit? Well, you're going to need some rope. They include a 160 foot long 10 millimeter double braided polyester rope. This rope feels really good in the hand, and it's abrasion resistant and will last a long time. Next up is the oscillating pulley. This will allow you to double the pulling power of the winch, and it opens for easy insertion of the rope. Every winch comes with an endless round polyester sling. This is your go-to item to anchor your winch to a tree for strong pulling. The forestry kit also includes an even stronger sling that can be used for anchoring your winch or to anchor a pulley to double the pulling power of your winch. This is the choker chain. This is a great way to securely grab onto a log for pulling. It also has a nice pin which allows you to thread the chain under the log for easy attachment. Next up is your locking grab hook. This can be securely tied to your rope and then quickly attached and detached to your choker chain. It also has a locking function for really secure pulling. And 2 locking carabiners, perfect for attaching a rope to a chain, a rope to a sling, or anywhere you need a quick, secure connection. The skidding cone is indispensable for moving logs. The heavy-duty cone allows you to pull a log through stumps and other debris without it getting caught up. Not included with the forestry kit, you will need to select either a 2.5 or a 5 amp hour lithium-ion 82 volt battery pack and charger. Because one of the main things we do at the cabin is pull things up our skyline, we decided to add a self-locking pulley to our kit. These are also available from the original Portable Winch, and they're of excellent quality. We found everything in this kit to be extremely high quality, and we love using a portable battery-powered winch instead of a gas model. With a push of a button, it's a game changer. For more info, you can check out the original Portable Winch at the links below. I'm excited for everyone to see part 2 of this series. We have been putting this winch to the test and have a bunch of ideas of how we can use it to make our lives easier here at the cabin. Once we have a good feel for its performance, we will be publishing the second video with all we have learned and a review that we hope will help you decide if it's the right tool for your use. Until next time, thanks for watching.